Experts reveal the exact location where city-destroying asteroid could hit Earth 7 years from now. Asteroid 2024 YR4 could create an impact of 500 times the atomic bomb, and it was discovered December of 2024. We're not talking about the Apophis asteroid. We're talking about the new one discovered in December. An Earth-destroying asteroid that's set to pummel our planet in the upcoming years has had its collision path revealed now. We're always hearing about major events that are likely to destroy our tiny planet, but this one is probably one of the scariest of them all. According to reports, it's supposed to be as big as the Statue of Liberty, so this 2024 YR4 asteroid space rock is not something you'd like to encounter. While it was initially spotted in December, scientist Dr. Robin George Andrews warned that even protecting ourselves from its impact could go wrong. He explained that firing rockets to it to deflect it from its path would spark the end times. The asteroid is set to pummel into Earth in the next decade. On X, he referred to the Double Asteroid Redirect Test DART mission, the first mission dedicated to investigating and demonstrating one method of asteroid deflection by changing an asteroid's motion in space through kinetic impact. He explained that it was a successful mission, but it does not mean we can use kinetic impactors like it to deflect any asteroid whenever we want. Andrews said nobody wants to accidentally disrupt an asteroid because those compounds can still head for our Earth. As I often said, it's like turning a cannonball into shotgun spray. But we are not going to see it again until another Earth flyby in 2028. So much could go wrong if we try to hit it with something like DART. It may be smaller or larger. If it's too big, we may not be able to deflect it with one spacecraft. We'd need several to hit it perfectly, all without catastrophically breaking it. And he said, and with only a few years down the line, we could accidentally deflect it, but not enough to make it avoid our planet. And then it still hits Earth, just somewhere else that was not going to be hit. Maybe 2024 YR4's odd will rise, but we will successfully deflect it in 2028 using a monster-sized spacecraft. Or maybe we'll break an awkward taboo and instead opt to use a nuclear warhead to try to deflect it, which would provide a bigger punch in the asteroid than DART. Instead, he said we should evacuate. How is that possible? As for where it'll go, David Rankin, an engineer with NASA's Catalina Sky Survey project, mapped out a risk corridor, predicting it to collide anywhere around northern South America, across the Pacific Ocean, southern Asia, the Arabian Sea, and Africa. So that's quite a big distance. That would mean that India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Sudan, Nigeria, Venezuela, Colombia, and Ecuador would be at risk for taking the brunt of the impact. Astronomers also believe that 2024 YR4 would create a mid-air explosion after colliding with us, which would be around 8 million tons of TNT, and affect a 50-kilometer radius around the site. NASA has also allocated an international team of astronomers to use the James Webb Space Telescope so that we can know more about its dimensions. So we would know just how bad it would hurt us when it does hit. Horrifyingly, NASA predicts that it'll collide with the Earth in 2032 with a 1 in 43 chance of impacting our Earth. And this is by Britt Jones from Lad Bible and Collective Spark. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.